it's me. I'm back again after a month. Sorry it took so long. I was focused on SCOS a lot, but I'm taking like a 2-day break so I can make this and SCOS scenarios. Speaking of normal SCOS, it's almost done. 5 or 4 minutes left to animate and it'll be uploaded. So yeah. I'm doing 2 objects today with Animal Crossing to objects. Nook Mile ticket and Rover suitcase. I lost the footage for the second one, I'm really sorry. But you can watch this one since the other one was gonna be too long anyway. The asset will still be shown at the end, but hope you guys enjoy and bye. But wait, no, I'm back. I wanted to say, what do you guys think of Cool Out, the new series I'm gonna do? Do you guys really want me to do it or no? Cause I wanna do it, okay.